Feeling drained? Trouble staying energized or performing in bed? It may not be low testosterone, it could be your nitric oxide levels. Today, we reveal how boosting nitric oxide naturally can transform your energy, performance, and overall male health. Nitric oxide is a natural molecule that relaxes blood vessels, boosting blood flow to your heart, brain, and yes, down there. Think of it as your body's natural performance enhancer. By age 30 plus, nitric oxide production drops. Add stress, poor sleep, sugar, and a sedentary lifestyle, and your blood flow starts to suffer. That could mean low stamina, poor memory, and even heart risks. If you've lost your edge lately, it may be your body crying for better circulation. Here are proven ways to naturally increase nitric oxide every day. Eat foods rich in nitrates, like spinach, beetroot, arugula. Do interval training or brisk walks. Breathe through your nose, not your mouth. Get morning sun. Reduce stress with mindfulness. For a fast and reliable boost, try NuviaLab Vitality. It's a premium supplement packed with natural ingredients that support blood flow, endurance, and testosterone. Thousands of men worldwide use it to regain their strength, stamina, and spark, safely and naturally. And if you want to take charge of your sexual health from the inside out, grab my ebook, Nutrition for Optimal Sexual Health, Superfoods and Diet Plans. It's an affordable, science-backed guide with the best foods and meal plans to boost blood flow, libido, and fertility naturally. Don't ignore low energy and poor performance. Your body is telling you something. Boost nitric oxide the right way, and your confidence will thank you. Like and subscribe for more natural male health tips. Check the description for your copy of the ebook and the link to NuviaLab Vitality.